What up, what up, what up? It's Coach Jay Heiler here. I'm here with my third review our third update for my review for Utopia. This stuff right here, okay? So if you've watched my first video and my second video, you already know my regimen, so I'm just gonna go through the process right now. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm heating my towel. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cover the beard. Now, when you're covering your beard, make sure that you are not just covering your beard. I'm actually pushing my face in a little bit with my hands so that the moisture can truly saturate the beard. Moisture is key to every aspect of your life, whether it be energy, whether it be stress management, or whether it be having joint flexibility, all of these things, digestion, skin health, hair health, on and on and on and on. One of the best things that you can do for yourself is provide yourself water. Well, your scruff or your beard is the same exact way. So once you have applied that for at least like anywhere between 1 all the way to 10 minutes, depending upon how rough your beard is, then you're going to go to the next step. The next step is going to be the derma roller. Now, you know with the derma roller, this thing needs to be clean. After every single what do we call this? I don't know, application of the process. You want to make sure that you clean this in alcohol. I've already done that, of course. So I'm just gonna get started. So I'm gonna roll. Done. Now, next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and put some alcohol on this, right on the derma roller, to make sure this is clean for the next application, okay? And I'm just gonna set that to the side. I'm not gonna necessarily put it up yet. I'm just gonna let that alcohol saturate through the roller for a little bit. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the application. So the application, it calls for 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do up to 7 because it does say 6 to 7, but I do 6 drops. The next, I'm going, if you've been watching my videos, black Haitian castor oil, okay? Black Haitian castor oil. This is very, it's like an emollient, right? So it is something that saturates the skin, but it also moisturizes the skin. So I really do like about 4 drops of that in the application of Utopia, okay? Go ahead and put it through the hair follicles and just be gentle. You're massaging it in. Just like any part of your skin, you're being gentle, you're not being rough. Should feel really good, especially if you're not gonna break out from this, it's gonna feel really good. And it isn't anything in this, in Utopia, for me, that was offensive in any kind of way, product-wise, ingredient-wise. Okay? Now, once your beard is fully saturated, you're almost out of the weeds, because the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to brush your beard. Okay? Very, very simple. And that, I mean, that really gets everything as part of the product. As far as the product is concerned, it really distributes it well. And then the remnants that is on the brush right now, I just brushed that through the front of my beard. Boom. So you can kind of go from video to video and look, but this is really thickening up, man. Same over here. It's really thickening up. I'm really pleased with the product, all right? And I will be back for another update next week.